In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams and create an account on your Android device. Whether you need it for work, school, or personal use, these steps will guide you through the entire process from installation to setting up your account so you can start collaborating and communicating effortlessly. First things first, let's head over to your device's App Store. For Android users, we'll be using the Google Play Store. This is where you can find and download apps that are compatible with your device. Microsoft Teams is readily available on Android phones and tablets, so you should be all set if your system is up to date with the last four major Android versions. Once in the Play Store, locate the search bar at the top. Type in Microsoft Teams and press go. You should see Microsoft Teams appear right at the top of the list, published by Microsoft Corporation. If it doesn't appear immediately, don't worry, just scroll down a bit until you find it. Now that you found Microsoft Teams, tap on the install button. This download should start almost immediately, and the installation process will commence. Depending on your internet speed, this whole process shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes. You might need to accept a few permissions along the way. This is completely normal and necessary for the app to function properly. Once Microsoft Teams is installed, it's time to open it. You can do this directly from the Play Store or find the app on your home screen or app list. Open Microsoft Teams and you'll be greeted with a sign-in page. Next, you'll enter your details to sign in. Use the email or phone number linked to your account and then tap on Sign In. If you're setting this up for work or school, make sure you use your work or school email. Type in your password when prompted. If you've forgotten it, you can select Forgot My Password to retrieve or reset it. For those of you who don't have a Microsoft account yet, tap on Sign Up for free. You'll be asked to specify whether this account is for personal use or business. Select the appropriate option and follow the instructions to create your account. This includes providing necessary details, creating a password, and completing any additional steps. After entering your credentials, you might encounter a welcome tour or a privacy statement. The tour is a brief guide to some of the features that Teams offers. You can navigate through it by tapping Next. And if a privacy statement pops up, this typically comes up when you're using a school or work account. Carefully read through it, and once you understand, click Got it to move forward. You are now ready to explore Microsoft Teams. After downloading and signing in, you will likely land on your Teams feed. From here, you can dive into all that Teams has to offer, whether it's creating a team, scheduling or joining meetings, adding guests, or sharing files. Enjoy your journey with Microsoft Teams, a platform designed to empower your productivity and connectivity.